We're now going to demonstrate installing a line into the tree. This can be achieved in a number of ways, either advancing with throwing the rope over the branches, using poles or rods, or installing off a ladder. For today's demonstration, we're going to install the Cambium saver and our primary line using a throw bag. So the bag's kept in the cube, keeping it all neat. When we're preparing to install the Cambium saver and line from ground level, we get the throw line and we're going to just put that through the big loop of the Cambium saver, so that when we fire a line over and we're ready to install it, it just makes sure that the Cambium saver is the right way around for retrieving from ground level as well. So we'll put that through the loop, fix the bag to the line using a clove hitch. Like so. And we'll just rest that so it doesn't catch it. We're now ready to install the line. So we've planned our route. I've picked the best route up to advance. I'm just using the catapult. I'm just going to project the throw bag into the canopy of the tree. So we've installed the throw line on our preferred branch. Now we're going to install the Cambium saver. So we're going to undo the clove hitch from the throw bag, like so. We're now going to put this through the smaller eye, and again fix that with a clove hitch. All that tight. Now ready to install the Cambium saver. We're just going to gently pull this Cambium saver over the branch. Like so. Then we're going to let the line come down, like so. So we're going to attach our rope to the throw line using a clove hitch. Double that up through. Thread the rope through. Working down the rope, secure that. Then use a series of half hitches. Making sure our final one is as close to the end of the rope as possible to prevent any snagging. And we're ready to pull that up and install it. So, pulling our rope up, nice and gently returning the throw line into the cube to keep it neat. As we approach the Cambium saver, we're just going to give it a short burst through. So now we have the line installed, ready for use. We'd now load test that anchor point. You could do this by hanging off it, or even you and your workmate, making sure that that's a secure point. Once we finish with the system, it's also retrievable from the ground. We can use a retrieving toggle, and because of the way we've set the Cambium saver in the tree, this toggle will go through the larger loop on the Cambium saver, and as we pull it through, the toggle will catch on the smaller loop, retrieving the Cambium saver and bringing it back down. Install the retrieving toggle onto the eye. Now we're ready to pull that up and retrieve the Cambium saver. So pulling our line up. Let that settle. And pull it through.